Gigil! 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 Ow! Coming up. No, he could go upstairs. Then the back on the chest. I found his book. Something was in there. Found out squirrel. Run the duck, run the duck. Very good. Listen, listen. Wow. That's really...
Halika dito. Brandon. Dong. Dong. Badong. Huy. Badong.
Kumain ka na. Tara, sama ka na.
Tara na, tama ka
Hindi
na.
ka pwede itlog. Araw-araw itlog ang kinakain mo eh.
Halika, halika.
Wala na namin itlog.
Cellphone,
Hindi sinasabi sa'yo.
Cellphone.
Hindi ka mabubuhay ka itlog.
Pinapagalitan si Tita Yuni, Ay,
Tara. Tara sa baba.
Halika, Brandon. Tama ka.